Hello everybody, my name is Isabel Schwaninger. I'm from the Human-Computer Interaction Group at TU Wien in Austria. I am today talking about my abstract for the Pioneers workshop for HRI in 2020. The aim of my work is to design for trust in human-robot interaction in older people's living spaces, where I specifically focus on three aspects. First of all, I want to find out what we can learn from people's long-term experiences with current technologies, such as being used for active and assisted living and telecare, for designing robots in these contexts. Secondly, I develop methods to talk about trust-related topics and future technologies in people's living spaces. And thirdly, I plan to evaluate older people and their care network interacting with a social robot at people's living spaces, namely at a care facility. When looking at people's long-term experiences with current technologies, we are involved in several projects, such as people using various simple technologies like tablets or fall detection sensors, and older people using telemonitoring for treating chronic heart failure. I aim to explore people's relationships and building of trust in care networks, such as with other people and with technology, as well as with institutions and places. We also started to develop a card-based method to facilitate conversations around trust-related topics in qualitative interviews, and to envision future technologies like robots in people's living spaces. In future work, we also plan a study with a Pepper robot at a care facility, where we aim to work with caregivers, studying their work practices. Again, we are also interested in relationship building with and around technology on the longer term, and in implications for trust. Thank you everybody for your attention. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to send me an email anytime.